Guys, welcome to HVAC Startup Technician, and today we're going to be installing a new furnace board on a Goodman unit. You see they have all the wires out here. I guess somebody already took the furnace board on, and I'm going to open this box. I have a new furnace board in there, so let me just open up this box so you can see what the new furnace board look like. And when you ordering a furnace board, always look for the model and serial number. And a really easy way to find it, if you could look to the back of the furnace here, and you see that GMES right there. That's the number we're looking for. So I already went ahead and I ordered this new furnace board. Okay, what it look like. So we're gonna install this. This is where all our wires go. As you can see, we have common, green for our fan, we have our red, which is power, white, which is our heat, and we have our yellow here for we cooling. And as you guys may know, if you're out in the field, we have those variable speed motor. So we're installing this board here. It's a little bit junky, yes, but stick with me, we'll get to it. It's pretty simple. There's no screws. When you're doing it, you have these clips, and the clips are already here. So all I'm doing, it's a real simple process, is I'm putting the clips, hooking up to the back of this, and that is our, once we lined it up, it is the easy process. Okay, just bear with me 1 minute. Let me give me a minute here. I just want to make sure that you guys could actually see what I'm doing. So we're gonna move these lines and we're gonna get these clips in here. So. And then we're gonna try to get this clip up here in here. They all come pre-drilled. That's it. So this is, we already have done, this is the easy part here, guys. Most of the lines will go in, like you have this plug here, they will fit in correctly. So we know that goes here. Then we got this one goes right here, it's a fit. The only thing that you may have to try to remember is your high voltage, your line voltage here. And you could know that's high voltage because it's coming from your transformer here. That goes in here. One of those lines is for your inducer, so that's 120 volts. And your black lines, those are your black lines. Okay, so they go right at the top. All your neutral lines also go together, which is your white lines. So you want to put them together. So here, and it's a very simple process. And I think that's our connection. On this board, we're working with a variable speed motor, so there is no, so then I think right below here is how we change. If you could see here, our fan speed, we gotta go with these jumpers, and we're gonna look at that and decide that. So we're doing a startup here, so just wanted to do a quick video as to how you install a furnace board, which is a very simple process. All right, guys, you just like match it up to the plugs and make sure that all your whites goes together and your black goes at the top. All right, guys, see you here. I'm gonna just wire up this low voltage wires here, down here at the bottom of the furnace, which will be kind of difficult to see on this video from this angle. So all right, guys, have a good one, and thanks for watching. And don't remember to always remember to comment and subscribe. All right, see you guys. Bye.